Today we're going to learn about a spelling rule that's called the drop the E rule. So let's go ahead and read the rule and then we'll break it down because it's kind of complicated. So it says, if a one-syllable word ends in E, drop the E before you add a suffix that starts with a vowel. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. So let's break it down. So we got if a one-syllable word, so I remember a one-syllable word is a word that would get one clap, right? Every syllable is a different clap. So if a one-syllable word ends in E, it says we're going to drop, meaning get rid of, the E before you add a suffix that starts with a vowel. So let's remind ourselves what a suffix is and what a vowel is. So a suffix, in case you forgot, is a word ending and a vowel, remember, is A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y if it makes the E or I sound. Okay, so let's read the rule one more time now that we understand the different parts. So it says, if a one-syllable word ends in E, drop the E before you add a suffix that starts with a vowel. All right, it's still a little bit confusing, so let's do an example. Let's say we had the word cute. Cute. And we wanted to change it into cutest. Cutest. So let's think about that ending that we're adding. We're adding an ending that's est, right? So if our suffix starts with a vowel, which it does, it starts with an E, I'm going to get rid of this E. So the way I would spell cutest would be C-U-T-E-S-T. It would not be correct for me to have two E's. So only one E. So when I add the E in est, I'm getting rid of the E at the end of cute. Okay, let's do another example. So I'm going to erase this example. And let's do a new word. Okay. Let's do the word love. And let's say that I wanted to add the ending ing to make loving. Okay. So if I look at my suffix, I see that it starts with a vowel, right? It starts with an I. That means I'm going to drop that E. And my new word, loving, is going to be spelled L-O-V-I-N-G. So it's kind of like the vowel at the beginning of the suffix kicks out the E. Okay? Now, let's do one more example. Let's say we had the word love, and we wanted to make the word lovely. Lovely. So we'd be adding the suffix ly. Now, let's look at what that suffix starts with. Does it start with a vowel? Does it start with A, E, I, O, or U, or Y? No, it starts with an L. So that E is not going to get kicked out. It's going to stay. So lovely would be spelled L-O-V-E-L-Y. So do you see the difference here? The difference is, what does the suffix start with? If it starts with a vowel, you're going to kick that E out. If it does not start with a vowel, the E gets to stay. All right, so I hope that this helps you on Lexia. Go ahead and go back into Lexia and try some more on your own. Good luck.